Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're talking about shaving and particularly about some products for pre and post shaving, as well as two other products. And I learned about this company, Mountain Labs, through a website that I order and get another product from. And these pre and post shave products are amazing. I'm going to share my experience as I put them on here in a moment. But I wanted to share with you, if you are checking out what's out there for making your experience a better one when shaving, then you may want to check these products out. Now, I'll be sure to put my referral links in the description as well as in the comment section, so you can also see what other people have to say about it. If you want it, you can order it. So here we've got the pre-shave hydrating oil. We also have the post-shave peptide serum, and especially the post shave just feels so good. How my skin feels amazing. Now I have here, which is they call the 8-second cut relief. I have not had an opportunity to use it, but I do want to let you know, if you are susceptible to cuts and nicks, then you might want to check this one out. You can read the reviews. I don't normally cut myself, even though if you've seen any of my other videos, I shave very quickly, and people's like, how do you not cut yourself? But I am fortunate I don't. And then this is a blade and tool cleaner, and works well. It just sprays and right on and can clean your tool. So I'll put a link to all of these. Just also, before I share and put these products on my face, a couple of the things that I do use if you are looking for a razor, and I'll put a link to that video with the Gillette Labs heated razor. I love it. I have not had issues with battery life, and that heat experience works amazing. And then, you know, from the pre and especially the post, again, great. And also, if you're looking for a better quality as far as ingredients for shaving cream, this is the NutriShave Natural Shaving Cream. It's by Now, and I'll put a link to that. So I just thought I'd share that with you. So here you go. Here's especially about the pre and post shave products. And if you find this video of help, by the way, appreciate a thumbs up. It helps the video and channel. And if you're not a subscriber and find add value, click the subscribe button, and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So happy shaving. Here you go. Okay, so it's time to shave. Got the pre-shave hydration oil, and then after we'll put on the post-shave peptide serum. Looking forward to putting that on. It is fantastic putting it on after a shave. So smooth and no irritation. But let me go ahead and show you here. And you just put a little bit in your hand like that, and mix that in your hands, put that on. It doesn't have much of a smell to it, but there you go. I'm gonna let it sit in for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and shave in the shower, and then we'll be back with the post-shave serum. Okay, shaving done. Time to put on the post-shave peptide serum. And I have really enjoyed using this. It really goes on very smooth. I don't have any burning feel or irritation. And here we go. So just a little bit, and put that on. And oh yeah, it's got a very kind of a greasy feel to it, but it really feels so good putting on. And check out the ingredients as I shared, and you will definitely love it. I'd love any feedback if anybody is using it, but I'll tell you what, two great products for your post and pre-shave. Check them out today. You'll be glad you did.